In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Then click on this gray switcher next to Bluetooth feature to activate it, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now hit pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after that my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!